Ever wondered how to make your videos visually stunning? Welcome to a journey through the art of transforming ordinary video footage into extraordinary visual experiences. We're about to embark on a thrilling overview of our comprehensive course titled Enhancing Visuals, Color Correction, Effects and Transitions. This course is a treasure trove of knowledge and skills designed to empower filmmakers, content creators, and video enthusiasts to take the visual quality of their videos to new heights. But what exactly does it mean to enhance visuals? Well, it's about more than just making your videos look pretty. It's about using color, effects, and transitions to tell compelling stories that captivate and engage your audience. Now let's take a brief tour of what this course has to offer. We'll start with the art of color correction, where you'll learn how to use color grading to add depth and emotion to your visuals. Next, we'll dive into the world of visual effects and enhancements, exploring techniques that will add style and creativity to your videos. From there, we'll move on to the craft of creating seamless transitions, a skill that will help you weave together your visuals in a way that feels smooth and natural. And last but not least, we'll delve into advanced editing techniques and strategies for achieving visual consistency, two areas that are key to producing high-quality videos. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Whether you're new to video production or a seasoned pro looking to sharpen your skills, this course has something for everyone. It's packed with practical insights and hands-on exercises that will give you the confidence to create visually stunning videos. So, sit back and get ready to absorb a wealth of knowledge that could transform the way you approach video production. By the end of this course summary, you'll have a solid understanding of the power of visual enhancement techniques and how to use them to elevate your videos. Stay tuned to discover the key takeaways from each module of this course. Color correction is the secret sauce of visually captivating videos. You might have heard this before and wondered what it's all about. Well, let's dive into the wonderful world of color correction. Color correction is an essential step in the post-production process. It's where we balance the colors in our footage to achieve a consistent look and feel across the board. It's all about making sure that the colors in your video are accurate, balanced, and consistent. This process involves adjusting the white balance, exposure, contrast, and saturation of your footage. But why is color correction so important? Imagine watching a movie where one scene is overly saturated with vibrant colors and the next is dull and washed out. It would be jarring, wouldn't it? That's where color correction comes in. It ensures a seamless visual experience by maintaining consistency in the colors throughout your video. But color correction isn't just about consistency. It's also a powerful storytelling tool. By manipulating the colors in your footage, you can evoke specific emotions, set the mood, and guide your audience's attention. For instance, a warm color grade can create a cozy, intimate vibe, while a cool color grade might evoke a sense of melancholy or detachment. During our comprehensive course, we delve deeper into the techniques and tools needed for color correction. We cover everything from basic color theory, understanding histograms and vector scopes, to using professional color grading software. We talk about the color wheels, curves, and scopes, and how to use them to fine-tune the colors in your footage. We also explore how to match colors between shots, correct skin tones, and create stylized color grades. It's a treasure trove of knowledge for anyone interested in elevating their video production skills. Let's take a moment to appreciate the power of color correction. Without it, we'd be stuck with whatever colors our camera captured, which might not always be accurate or aesthetically pleasing. But with color correction, we can transform our footage into a visually stunning masterpiece. It's like having a magic wand that can change the look and feel of your video with just a few tweaks. Remember, color correction isn't about changing what the scene looks like, but rather enhancing it to bring out its best qualities. It's about making sure that the colors in your video reflect the story you want to tell. So whether you're a filmmaker, a content creator, or a video enthusiast, mastering color correction is a skill worth acquiring. It's not just about making your videos look good, it's about using colors to tell your story more effectively. Mastering color correction can indeed transform your videos from good to great. So are you ready to unlock the full potential of your footage? Join us in our comprehensive course and embark on your journey to becoming a color correction wizard. Adding visual effects is like adding spices to your dish. They can transform an ordinary video into a captivating story. In Module 2 of our course, we dive deep into the world of visual effects and enhancements, exploring their power and learning how we can use them to add a distinctive style to our videos. Visual effects are not just about flashy graphics or dramatic explosions. They are subtle touches that can significantly enhance the storytelling and overall viewer experience. They can be as simple as a lens flare that adds realism to a sunny scene, or as complex as a CGI character that brings a fantasy world to life. These effects, when used correctly, can help to create a more immersive and engaging viewing experience. One of the key lessons from this module is understanding the different types of visual effects and when to use them. There are practical effects that can be achieved in camera, like slow motion or time-lapse. Then there are digital effects that are created in post-production, like compositing or CGI. Each type of effect has its own strengths and applications, and knowing when and how to use them can greatly enhance your storytelling capabilities. Another important aspect we cover in this module is the use of visual effects to enhance the narrative. For instance, a simple color grading effect can be used to create a mood or convey a character's emotions. A stylized transition can be used to signify a change in time or location. Even a subtle visual effect, like a film grain, can add a layer of authenticity to a period piece. These creative techniques not only add visual interest, but also contribute to the storytelling. In addition to understanding and applying these effects, it's also crucial to know how to balance them. Just like spices in a dish, too many visual effects can overpower the narrative and distract the viewer. The key is to use them sparingly and purposefully, always keeping in mind the story you want to tell. This module also introduces a range of tools and software that can be used to apply these effects. From industry-standard software like Adobe After Effects to more accessible options like iMovie or Filmora, we explore the functionalities and benefits of different tools, helping you to choose the right one for your needs. We also walk you through the process of creating some common visual effects, providing practical tips and step-by-step guides. This hands-on approach ensures that you not only understand the theory behind these effects, but also gain the skills to apply them effectively in your own projects. Visual effects are the magic tricks that make your videos stand out. They can transform a mundane scene into a visual feast, spark a viewer's curiosity, or evoke an emotion. By mastering these effects and knowing how to use them effectively, you can significantly enhance the visual quality and storytelling potential of your videos. Remember, with visual effects, the only limit is your imagination. So let's start creating some magic. Transitions are the bridges that connect your video clips. They are the glue that binds your story together, ensuring a harmonious flow from one scene to the next. In this module, we delve into the art of crafting seamless transitions, a skill that can elevate your videos from good to great. Let's start with the basics. Transitions are not merely about moving from clip A to clip B. They are a powerful storytelling tool that can set the pace, mood, and tone of your video. A well-placed transition can create anticipation, reveal a surprise, or simply provide a smooth visual journey for your viewers. There's a whole world of transition styles out there. You have your classics such as the fade-in, fade-out, cross-dissolve, and cut. These transitions are subtle, often used to indicate the passage of time or a change in location. They are like the seasonings in your cooking, not always noticeable, but their absence can make the dish feel incomplete. Then there are the more dynamic transitions like whip pans, zooms, and digital effects. These transitions are the spices that add that extra zing to your video. They are eye-catching and can amp up the energy in fast-paced videos. But remember, just like spices, these transitions should be used sparingly. Too much, and your video might become overwhelming for your viewers. But how do you decide which transition to use? The answer lies in your story. Are you trying to build suspense? A slow cross-dissolve could do the trick. Want to show a quick change in location? Try a whip pan. The key is to choose a transition that enhances your story, not distract from it. Now, creating seamless transitions is more than just about picking the right style. It's about understanding the rhythm of your video. It's about timing your transitions perfectly with the beats of your soundtrack. It's about ensuring visual continuity so the transition feels natural and not jarring. This requires practice and a keen eye for detail. But once you master it, you'll be able to create a visual symphony that captivates your audience. So, are you ready to take your videos to the next level? Are you ready to weave your scenes together with seamless transitions that not only look good but also enhance your storytelling? This module will equip you with the knowledge and skills to do just that. You'll learn the different transition styles, when to use them, and how to create them. You'll also get hands-on practice so you can apply what you've learned in your own videos. Remember, transitions are not just about moving from one clip to another. They are your opportunity to guide your viewers through your story, to control the pace, to set the mood. They are your chance to make your videos not just watchable, but truly engaging. Smooth transitions ensure your story flows effortlessly from one scene to the next. So, let's get started on this journey to creating visually stunning and seamless transitions. So, are you ready to take your videos to the next level? Let's quickly recap what we've discovered. We've delved into the art of color correction, understanding its impact on storytelling. We've explored a variety of visual effects and enhancements, adding style and creativity to our footage. We've studied the craft of creating seamless transitions, knowing when and how to use different styles effectively. We've covered advanced editing techniques like motion graphics and compositing to further enhance our visuals. And last but not least, we've learned the importance of achieving consistency across our videos using color grading presets and templates. All these skills and knowledge are just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn and master in the full course where we deep dive into each module. So don't wait. Elevate your visual storytelling, captivate your audience, and create videos that truly stand out. Embark on your journey to create visually stunning videos with our full course. We hope you found this course summary valuable. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the essentials of visual enhancement, from color correction to creating seamless transitions. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Our full course delves deeper, empowering you to master these techniques and truly transform your footage. So why not take your visual storytelling skills to new heights? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in our next video.